Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sudhir Angari and I'm an intern at Talegaon Rural Hospital.
I'm from Sebastian and I am a third year chemistry student.
Hello, myself Bhushan. I'm a photography student.
Sangeeta Hegde. So I'm actually an electronics and communication student.
I'm Srikanth. I'm a postgraduate student at IIT Bombay.
Hi, my name is Darshit Vaidya and I'm a mechanical engineering student from Pune.
Hi everyone, I am Reha Khisti and I am in second year English literature.
Hi, my name is Chinma Kulkarni and I am a journalism student.
Hello, I'm Tashara and I'm an ACCA student.
I feel depressed, I feel tired, I feel weak. Yeah. Yeah, but right now I'm feeling good because I think काफी time हो गया and then I met my friends अभी. मतलब friends नहीं, I met my friend. So it's good. It was good to see him and everything.
Actually lost, really lost. but ठीक है अभी मतलब अभी के लिए तो न्यूट्रल है पर अभी बोर हो रहा है बहुत. ऐसा कब आगे बढ़ेगा लाइफ ऐसा हो रहा है.
I'm पता नहीं, confused I guess. Like I don't know if I'm feeling good or bad.
Well, right now I'm pretty relaxed to be honest. But like these days, if we start from like last March, let's say, March 2020, since then it has been a lot of ups and downs. And the types of ups and downs that I'd never expected from my lives. And right now, I guess I'm on up, and I feel like it's going to stay this way.
मतलब ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ सीन नहीं है. लाइक सब कुछ अच्छा ही चल रहा है. लाइक इतना भी कुछ बुरा नहीं है. लाइक वर्क फ्रॉम होम है तो बस वो कॉलेज का जो प्रेशर है ना, और एक साथ वो सारा सब कुछ आ रहा है, असाइनमेंट्स वगैरह, तो और टाइम भी थोड़ा कम मिल रहा है, तो वो थोड़ा ऐसा बर्डन टाइप, और टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है तो प्रेशर टाइप हो रहा है, तो उसके चक्कर में काम भी गड़बड़ हो रहा है.
चल रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. काम है ना तो जो निकल जाता है दिन. मतलब पहले काम नहीं था तो पागल होता था. Like, कुछ भी नहीं होता था, बस मूवीज देखो, सीरीज देखो और कुछ भी नहीं. कॉलेज का भी कुछ भी नहीं था. अभी वो भी आ गया. थोड़ा बैलेंस हो रहा है, देखते क्या होता है.
Yeah, then I came home and I was depressed. I was depressed because exams ke time per was very stressful, like I told you. So I went for therapy. Not therapy actually, I went to psychiatrist because I was having anxiety, बहुत anxiety issues था. तो फिर they put me on medication because they just said कि exams के बीच में if you start therapy it might affect, like, you know, because it's a long process. So I was like, well, fine. And then medication is just like कि जैसे the effect wears off, you just, you know, everything hits you again. So that was also happening. So when I came home, I used to just, you know, stay in my bed. Dad said do nothing, and I didn't feel like, you know, I was not motivated at all. So I remember कि एक हफ्ते बाद मेरा एग्जाम का रिजल्ट आया ना, finally like I passed. There was honestly mixed feelings bhi nahi. I was just neutral about it. I was like, cool, fine, yeah, okay, I'm a doctor now. And I really kind of don't understand why that was, because all I wanted to do was just pass the exam and, you know, be free. But I wasn't feeling it. मतलब मुझे time भी नहीं मिला to celebrate it, and like you know, all the symptoms वो सब बढ़े, and I got admitted. That happened and I was admitted for like 2 weeks. So that was the worst time, I guess, because, you know, you don't have anyone, and you're just there in the room and you don't have anything to do, and plus COVID is something like, you know, it just drains the life out of you, so you're just almost dead. And I don't know, just everything was hitting me, so it was very depressing, very, very, very depressing. And then when I came home back, I had all these post-COVID weakness, which I still have, but I think I'm coping up with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I can just sum it up like, 2 words. Like, it was just depressing and very, no, I can't. It was just depressing.
फिर भी even if we were home, we were safe होने के बावजूद मेरे को कोविड हुआ था. सारे प्रिकॉशंस लेके घर पे बैठ के कोविड हो गया. अभी कुछ नहीं है, अभी हो गया नेगेटिव. It was terrible. मतलब first 2 days were bad. I was having stomach ache बहुत ज्यादा और vomiting. फिर वो 2 दिन चला, फिर उसके बाद I was okay, क्योंकि पूरे फैमिली को हुआ था मेरे. मॉम डैड में 3 were positive. तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. मम्मी को अभी भी वीकनेस है, और बाकी सब ठीक है. मी एंड माय डैड आर अमेजिंग. बस मम्मी को थोड़ा सा वीकनेस है अभी, पर बहुत बुरा है. किसी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. बहुत बुरा था. मतलब माइनर सिम्टम्स थे, हमें कुछ सीवियर नहीं हुआ था, बट स्टिल वो कफ था, सर्दी, बहुत बहुत बुरा था वो. मतलब वो एक्चुअली कहते हैं ना कि इट कॉजेस लाइक मेंटल अनस्टेबिलिटी हो जाती है. वो सही है, वो सच में सही है, क्योंकि सुनते हो ऊपर से आप उसमें से गुजर रहे हो. दैट फील्स टेरिबल. किसी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. घर पे रहो यार, सच में सब लोग घर पे रहो. जो प्रिकॉशंस है वो लो, मस्ट है. मतलब निकलो इधर से, घर पे मतलब बहुत बुरा है.
3 months, that was a weird time. I spiraled down to almost certain sort of depression. I started having, I was annoyed out of my head. I just wanted peace anyhow it's possible. Then slightly things started to open up. We heard of the second lockdown. That I'm not sure how long it was for. So I started to go out a little bit, and I only used to see one of my friends. There's only one of my friends where I used to see him almost every day. And then somewhere around in July, he had to go back to his village. So this is where he lives, but his actual land and his actual house, the family house, is in a village. So he went back there, and it had been like 20 days. And somewhere around in September, I suppose 19th September, like that, I was positive. I was tested positive. Me, my father, and my younger sister. My mother was luckily not positive. So yeah, that was the scariest time, because if you remember, the peak in 2020 was in September, mid-September. 19th September, we were found positive, and exactly 2 days before that, I had lost 2 of my uncles. Like,
कुछ भी गुस्सा आता था, लिटरली गुस्सा आता था कि एक तो क्या है कि मेरा कैसा है कि मैं तो पहले इंजीनियरिंग के 3 साल छोड़कर इधर आया. तो तभी होता है ना कि साथ वाले बच्चे सब कमा रहे हैं और मैं घर पे बैठ के खा रहा हूं. वो तो बहुत स्ट्राइक होता था, रोज स्ट्राइक होता था. मैं तो इतना भी था कि मैं कभी कभी सोचता था कि आज खाना ही नहीं खाऊं. मतलब कभी कभी तो किया मैंने, रात में भी खाना नहीं खाया. तो लगता था कि अच्छा आज नहीं खाया तो कुछ तो बचा लिया घर वालों का. था मेरा वैसे, पर बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट होता था, बहुत. मैं ट्राई भी किया घर पे बैठ के, और उसमें तो मतलब इतना पेशेंस लेवल चेक किया है मेरा पैंडेमिक ने.
लॉकडाउन के वो बहुत बड़ा इफेक्ट हुआ है. वो मेजर इफेक्ट है. मतलब देखा जाए तो मेंटली कुछ करने का इच्छा नहीं है. जो पहली चीज 1 मिनट में कर सकते थे, वो भी 10-15 मिनट भी नहीं हो रही. 10 मिनट पे भी नहीं हो रही चीज. प्रोडक्टिविटी क्रिएट सब खत्म हो गया है बेसिकली. अभी वो रिकवर करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा पता नहीं, बट हुआ है अभी. मतलब लिटरली एक मिनट में होने वाली चीज अभी 10-15 मिनट में नहीं हो रही। मतलब मुझे ऐसा रियलाइज हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रही। ये तो पहले मैं बिना सोचे करता था, अभी सोच के भी नहीं हो रही। Okay. तो मोटिवेशन का सीन ऐसा है कि मोटिवेशन मतलब आता हुआ है, पट के मोटिवेशन आता है, बट वो एकदम ऐसा 1 मिनट पे चला जाता है। तो करने का जोश वगैरह जो सीन है ना, तो जोश नहीं आ रहा, कुछ भी पढ़ो, कुछ भी करो, जोश ही नहीं आ रहा। तो ऐसा खुद को ऐसा पुश करके मतलब जबरदस्ती करता है ना कि करो करो कर लेंगे वाले जोन में हो रहा है सब अभी। मतलब ऐसा मन से 100% नहीं हो रहा, कुछ भी हो रहा है वो मन से नहीं हो रहा, सिर्फ ऐसा पुश करते जा रहा है, अभी करना है अपने को, ये करना है अभी, ऐसे जोन में है पूरा, पुश करो पुश करो पुश करो।
Zero motivation for work. Definitely. But I want to, like, that is what I feel. I really want to work, but there just isn't enough like willpower to do it. And that is what I feel, that even if like when I'm at the end of it now, like this is the deadline and I have to complete. I'm here right now. I'm very close to my deadline. But when I go here now, then I'll be panicking and doing everything. But yeah, I really need to start working. But zero motivation. Zero motivation for work.
It's very different when you see something online or on TV or on social media to what you see when it actually happens in front of your eyes, right? Because I remember there was this one day camp. I was really furious because जो last lockdown लगा था, at that time the migrants का जो issue था, that was on peak, like everywhere it was. And it was just very depressing to see people like walking and dying, not of COVID but of hunger, or like because of dehydration, not enough food, and all the other infections. So there was this one camp I attended. It was nothing, it was just for like people who wanted to travel. They just needed this certificate that okay, they are fit to travel, they don't have any symptoms, and basically they don't have COVID, which was very weird because all we were doing was just check their temperature and ask if they had cold, and that's it. And there were like, I think, some 700 to 800 people in that camp, and everyone was sitting there and just coming and asking me, madam kitne time mein hoga, please bachcha ro raha hai, ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai. I saw people taking their IDs, or like just because they just wanted to go home. And I remember majority of the people were from the north, and I just asked them how, since how long you guys were like traveling, and they were telling me that they were traveling since 15 days, 14 days, 7 days, which is too much because they were on, like, they didn't have any vehicle, anything. So that was very I don't know how to express what I felt, but I was just like, I don't know if it's a right word or not, to just feel pity, I think. I don't know, but it was very like disturbing. Yeah, it was very disturbing. For them, I just realized that it's not wrong if I consider myself as someone who is privileged, because I had everything I could. My outings were like, okay, I am bored, or I just want to meet someone, because I can't take it anymore. And when I saw them, it's just, like I said, it's very depressing and disturbing.
ओके, तो कोविड के बाद फ्रेंड्स के बारे में बात करें तो बहुत लोगों से मेरा कांटेक्ट टूट ही गया। मतलब मैं बात करना छोड़ दिया बहुत लोगों से, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ना ऐसा निगेटिविटी बहुत चल रहा था, मतलब बहुत सारी चीजों को लेके। तो ऑलरेडी इतना ऐसा पूरा जोन आउट था ना मैं, तो मेरे को ऐसा किसी से बात करने का इच्छा ही इच्छा ही नहीं होता उस टाइम पे, तो मैं सबसे बात उस टाइम पे सबसे बात करना छोड़ दिया था। तो पूरा ऐसा लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हार्डली किसी से, एक दो मैक्स 5 लोगों के ऊपर किसी से बात नहीं किया होगा। तो मेरा वही हुआ कि मैं पहले बहुत सबसे कांटेक्ट रखता था बिफोर लॉकडाउन, मतलब मैं ट्राई करता था कि सबसे कांटेक्ट रखूं वगैरह, बट आफ्टर लॉकडाउन अभी कुछ नहीं है, मैं हूँ अकेला हूँ बहुत है मेरे लिए, ऐसा वाला सीन है। अभी मैं ज्यादा किसी से कांटेक्ट रखने का कोशिश नहीं बोल सकते, मैं खुद से मैसेज नहीं कर रहा हूँ मोस्टली बहुत सारे लोगों को। आई डोंट नो इज गुड थिंग और बैड थिंग, बट नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
मेरा बहुत दोस्त है, बहुत दोस्त है, मतलब इंजीनियरिंग में हो गए, यहाँ पे मास कॉम में हो गए, बहुत दोस्त है। पर ऐसा हुआ ना कि वो पैंडेमिक फिल्टर हो गया एक उसके लिए। मतलब अभी भी इतना होता है ना कि हर रोज स्टेटस में दोस्त होते हैं जो किसी ना किसी का बर्थडे होता है तो स्टेटस में होते थे। तो मेरा एक टाइम पे ऐसा था ना कि 2-3 दिन बाद किसी ना किसी का बर्थडे होता था और मैं रखता ही था स्टेटस। वो बहुत मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि मेरा बहुत ही कम हो गया। मतलब अगर मेरे 100 दोस्त थे तो अभी उसमें से दोस्त सभी है, 100 के 100 दोस्त थे, बढ़ भी गए होंगे, पर उसमें से जो फिल्टर आउट हो जाते हैं ना, वो जो वैसे 20 तक वगैरह है, तो इतना वो ड्रास्टिक जो चेंज है ना बीच में 80 लोगों का, वो जल्दी हजम नहीं हुआ मुझे।
When it comes to my friends, uh, close friends, it has been like really difficult. Like there's only one way to keep in touch. That is only you can only have interactions through digital means. I don't know. At some point in the starting, it was all fun, like exploring these new things. Like one day you are on a group call in Zoom or Google Meet with your classmates. Next day you have a Discord session with while you're working, you're chatting with your classmates, or you have a group work that everybody is seeing each other and doing. Slowly, people started getting tired of all this. Not just me, I have seen others also.
Yeah, like the frequency of talking regularly has gone down drastically. Like all of us and everybody in the batch used to hang out like a lot. It was every day for us. रोज क्लास जा रहे हैं, रोज फिर कॉलेज के बाहर मिल रहे हैं, चाय पी ली, बातें बातें कर ली, तो इट वाज अ शेड्यूल। किसी के घर पे चले गए, लाइक इन पुणे आई यूज्ड टू स्टे एट अदर पीपल्स हाउस मोर देन आई यूज्ड टू स्टे एट माय ओन हाउस। सो वीक में 4 days आई यूज्ड टू बी समवेयर एल्स एंड 3 days आई वाज एट के चलो अपना खुद का प्लेस। एंड खुद का प्लेस वाजंट इवन की लाइक आई लिव्ड अलोन, देयर वर फ्रेंड्स देयर आल्सो। So it was like a very social life, different groups and different friends and talking to everybody and everything. But that has like gone down. Like, and like talking to them is not the same on Zoom, first of all, but that is also not there. Ki we'll talk online, and that has gone like zero. I remember still I messaged in my college group कि अपन आओ Zoom पे और बातचीत करते हैं, and there was zero response from anybody. I was like कि ठीक यार, अब किसी को नहीं मन होगा, नहीं करना है तो अब सबका चल ही रहा है. But yeah, it has gone down, and that has been very impactful, I guess. But I try to like there was a time when I used to try to talk to people. Now that has also gone. I don't know if I'm comfortable with myself or anything like that, but I don't put in efforts also because I know that everybody is going through something, and it's not like very easy for anyone.
मतलब मेरी मम्मी के साथ पूरा जमता है, डैड के साथ थोड़ा नहीं जमता, तो वो और हो गया है, मतलब बढ़ गया है पूरा, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, व्हाट्स द वर्ड, वो सिंप्लीफाई हो गया है। और भी मतलब वैसा एंगर इश्यूज आने लगे मेरे में, मतलब पहले से ही थे, बट अभी हम बाहर रहते थे, मैं तो पूरा दिन बाहर रहती थी, फिर शाम को आके खाना खा के सो जाना है बस, किसी के साथ कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं, कुछ नहीं, वो वैसा था। पर अभी पूरा का पूरा घर पे ही बैठना है, पूरा दिमाग फट चुका है मेरा अभी।
I am someone, I'm habitual right now, I'm habitual of like, staying away from family. I have made my this own life, where like just say that I have my own personal life now, my schedule, my habits, basically my lifestyle, which is very different from how it used to be when I was here, before going to college or getting admitted to a college. So my parents, my mother didn't know what I am, what I was when I was in college, because she, like I said, she didn't see me growing when I was in college, right? So initially it was really nice because I was just telling myself that it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, because you will never get this time with family ever again. And which is true, because all we have like colleges in other cities and then jobs in other cities, and then you hardly have time for family abhi ke situation. So I was really happy initially, and even those chotu fights also felt like, okay, it's good. I mean, it feels like home. But then एक महीना हुआ, 2 महीने हुए, and then it's just you're not habitual of living like that, because their thought process and everything is very different. Their lifestyle is very different from um us, how we live, how we sustain. So that's something. I mean, I think it also took a toll on my mental health, honestly. Family, and like when you kind of feel that you're not supported by your family, it's a big thing. Friends still, like you can manage with it, but family, and you just feel like very, just again depressing. Yeah.
Like earlier, I was actually kind of outgoing person. Like I used to go out and like used to meet people, but like now I actually lost the zeal to go out and meet people, or like even move out of the house or room for like where I'm staying. But like I still in contact with like a few people like which are actually close to me, and they actually understand like the situations are not favorable right now, so like we cannot do anything about it right now. So that's how it's been going with me for now. Let's hope it gets better soon.
It's a lot different, and you said that relationships are a lot of relationships have failed because of it. The primary reason is that most of us feel a lot of stress and anxiety during the pandemic. So we know that we are affected, but we are not able to digest the fact that uh, other people are also feeling the same. So we are not able to take in that point. If we just accept the fact that they are suffering the same as us, they are in war with the same devil. If we just accept that fact, the relationships will stand. But we just think about ourselves. It's not like we are selfish, but we are just for ourselves. We just think about us. Yeah, okay, I'm in a bad mood, but we are never thinking, okay, he could also be in a bad mood. No, we don't. So if there is that mutual sense of understanding, if we just walk in the other person's shoe, most of the problems could be solved, but it's easier said than done.
So I'll start. Okay. So basically, we knew each other for what, 2 years, 3 years, since
2 years.
yeah, since college started, we knew each other because we had mutual friends, and basically we started talking around like last March, I guess, when the lockdown started out. So we just started out, with basic conversations on Instagram, like
Instagram.
replying for story and yeah, and everything. Then, see.
So yeah, so we started, we replied to each other's stories, and then we started talking, and then we started talking more. Like, it was mostly about COVID and all the political things that was happening that time. We started talking about that, and then we realized we both have like maybe similar ideologies and all. So yeah, from there it just took off.
Okay.
And a lot of video clips
Like a lot for us.
every day. Like yeah, on a daily. Like in the beginning, we didn't video call because obviously it was the thing. Both are shy.
We were hoping for the lockdown to get over pretty soon so that we can meet, like
In real, yeah, like we didn't.
yeah, in real. We wanted. That's
But
what we
then,
wanted, but then we later figured out, this thing is not getting over any soon. So we started video calling.
yeah, because then it felt like lockdown kept getting extended, and then we were like, you know what? Okay, let's just video call.
Yeah.
Then it became a daily thing. Then we started video calling a lot. And then it was kind of free, In the beginning stages of the lockdown, we didn't have much work also. Exams got cancelled
Yeah.
and also we had more time.
We had pretty much nothing to do. So we basically watched a lot of movies, right? Like a lot of movies.
Watched a lot of movies.
That was our date kind of thing. We watched movies together.
Yeah.
That's what we did.
Either if we tried this thing, sharing it on the screen, but then because of Wi-Fi problems, that didn't work. So we watched the movie. Like he'll watch it from there, I'll watch it from here, and then we'll call on Facebook or Telegram, and then we press the play button at the same time, and then we watch it together.
Yeah, it was the thing.
So then on
That's
call
what
we'll whatever comments we have and everything, we make it on call so the other person can hear it. So we basically are watching it at the same time. That was our date kind of.
Yep. Music was there. We actually, made playlists for each other, that kind of thing happened. Like she introduced me to a lot of new music.
He introduced me a lot of his kind of music. I introduced him to a lot of my kind of music. So yeah, that was there. A lot of music and movies, talking about art.
Yeah.
Talking about art.
That's something we have in common actually. We appreciate art a lot. I mean, meeting in real person thing is there. I mean, like when the lockdown is not there, obviously we can meet in real, right? That thing was not there, but instead of that, we kept doing other things that, which made it feel like we are actually meeting in real. Like at least we, said it to ourselves and made it feel like that, right?
Yeah.
That's what happened actually. Like we knew the thing, we knew for a fact that we couldn't meet, so we did things that actually made us feel like we were actually doing it in real, and that kind of thing.
But once we started, we realized how much physical presence actually mattered.
Yeah, that thing.
Once we started meeting, like once the situation went back to normal, we started going back to college and everything, and then once we started meeting, we understood like how much it mattered. Because at that time in lockdown, that thing is that you can't meet. It's a restriction. It's there for everyone. So you can't meet. So you're not even thinking about it. But once we started meeting, and then again, this is a long distance relationship, even in that sense, because he studies in Bangalore and I study in Bangalore. But then it became more hard because we wanted to meet so bad. When it's a restriction and it's a lockdown, it makes it easy because you know that even you can't meet, nobody else is meeting, it's for everyone. But once things got back to normal, and then when we couldn't meet, it made it much more harder. Because then you get that feeling like, okay, now it's not for everyone, it's just for us. So yeah, that was there. But then, and now again, we are back to the same situation, like how it started.
Yep.
To be honest, I have never thought about myself so much ever in my life. It was like every day I would, it was like an opportunity to think about everything that had happened so far in my life. I would just randomly walk and I'd think about the thing, maybe some random event in the past, and I would just, okay, you should have done that. It's a reminder, you got yourself through this, and you'll get through this as well. So it's like a reminder. Yeah, it was an upgrade. I'd say it was an upgrade if you think of it one way. But on the other side, I think I have developed myself a bit of temper, short temper. I think I was trying to get rid of it, but I think I have developed it back. So one way it has improved my character, but on another way it has caused me a defeat.
What I learned from it is just that I think I really value my life a little bit more now. And as a doctor, yes, because I have seen on news and everywhere in my college too, like, when just a simple, like, a patient just comes to you and just says that, thank you, or you saved us. It really does feel like really good, because it's okay. We were not in the wards, but we were at our homes working for beds, oxygen, injections, and everything. And when people were, they got beds, they got oxygen, or even they got treated, it was really nice. So I think I do value my profession also a bit more now, and my life too. Yeah, I try not to take it for granted now. I think that's what I learned. And also that family really, really, really comes first, because they're the ones who are always gonna be there and always gonna support you no matter what. That's that.
When comparing with the college days, I used to get silent in the college days. I was not much active as that I was in my school days, right? And in the school days I was so active, and in the college it was just the reverse. I used to just settle myself in things. But I thought, when this pandemic came, I saw that all the rest of others are getting so much active, even if it is the online mode. They're just trying to just push them up to reach the maximum, improve their skills and all that thing. So I thought, I shouldn't just settle down. I should just work on something so that it will be very much beneficial for me. In my final years, we will get placements, and also if I don't have any notable achievements or something like that, it will not do good. So I should just come out from my just inconveniences and just move. So I just began to, like, a part of all the organization that is in the college, like NSS, IST, IEEE. So I think you can see in my status that I just put all the posters of all organizations, and I'm just becoming so active, and now I'm just socially very active in all this. And my fellow means, my juniors, my seniors started recognizing me. So now I am okay. I'm okay to say that, yeah, I have some notable achievements, so I can do something in my future.
Actually, I was in questioning for like 3 years. तो बहुत ही लंबा स्पैन था वो, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं था हमको किसने सिखाया, नहीं किसी ने बताया नहीं था हमें. थैंक्स टू इंटरनेट वो सब कुछ पता चला अपने को कि हम एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, ये हमको दूसरा कोई तो बता रहा है. बहुत वैसे तो मतलब कितना देर किधर रह रहे थे हम, ये कौन सा पैरेलल यूनिवर्स है जिधर सब कुछ चल रहा है और हम इधर रह रहे हैं, लिटरली ऐसा लग रहा था. बट हाँ, मतलब जब बाद कमिंग अप टू अदर्स, उससे पहले खुद को पता चलना चाहिए कि आप हो या नहीं, क्योंकि आई वाज इन 3 इयर्स कि मतलब क्या चल क्या रहा है, क्योंकि अजीब लगता था पहले तो, क्योंकि कोई मतलब टॉपिक ही पता नहीं था कि क्या चल रहा है, उसको ना कोई नाम दे सकते ना कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा था. मतलब था वो, फिर ऐसे हिट हुआ कि अरे है अपन. मतलब कितना देर डिनाई करोगे आप खुद के, मतलब खुद को ऐसे सेल्फ एनालाइजेशन होता है कि नहीं है. बट इन 2020 आई वाज लाइक, हाँ 2020 में बहुत चीजें सॉल्व की मैंने मेंटली मोस्टली, कि हाँ भाई अभी हम ये है. फिर नॉन बाइनरी करके आए बाहर, तो ये सब चीजें मतलब मेंटली बहुत प्रोडक्टिव था मेरे लिए लॉकडाउन. और ये उसमें आ गया फिर नॉन बाइनरी हूँ, ये वो खुद को बताने को बहुत मजा आया था, क्योंकि जब खुद को रियलाइज होता है कि, और खुद को बताते हो तुम कि नहीं भाई है, तो वो अलग ही फीलिंग है. सच में मेरे को बहुत अलग फील हुआ था तब, मतलब ऐसा अंडा फोड़ के आ गई वैसा कुछ. तो मेरे हिसाब से खुद को मैं coming out to your own self is more important than coming out to others. वो डिफिकल्टी है, छोड़ो, कोई एक्सेप्ट ना करे। मैं उस लेवल तक पहुंच चुकी हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे को ऐसा नीड नहीं लगता कि आई नीड टू कम आउट टू अदर। मैं खुद को मुझे मतलब मेरे को पता है कि मैं हूँ करके, फिर उतना ही बस हो गया मेरे लिए। आई वाज लाइक सैटिस्फाइड। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा था।
I don't even know like who I was before. I think I was just a product of all of these like mental illness symptoms or something. I don't know. But like now, I don't know. Okay, like my whole life was a mess before the pandemic, to be honest. And there was a lot of things that I was like completely unaware of, and I was just existing. I was just existing, going with the flow. But at the end, okay, I'm doing my work, I'm getting my grades. So that everybody is concerned with that. No, you're a student, your job is to study. You get your grades, that's it. Nobody else cares about anything else. So that part was going on. So because of that, I don't think anybody took much notice about anything else. So that time there were a lot of things that I was completely unaware about. And the main thing was pre-pandemic, I used to not talk that much. I used to not tell what's actually happening in my life. But then during the pandemic, it kind of became like a thing where everybody is checking on each other. Because everybody was so like everybody was not doing mentally well, and then they wanted to like make sure that the other person is also at least they are doing mentally well. So there was constant support from everywhere. Even the people you were not talking much before with, they started communicating more that time. So that's the one thing that happened. I changed because of that completely. So now and then many people started sharing their personal experiences about things, so that made me know or learn more about my own life. And then social media is literally a blessing. Even though it's a boon, sometimes it's also a blessing.
Definitely, I really want to get a beer. It's been like more than what, 1.5 years, I would say. I was like living on Appy Fizz, like just get the taste of it and not any buzz.
पहले तो खाना खाना है मेरे को बहुत ही ज्यादा, मतलब इतना मिस कर रही हूँ मैं। मतलब ऐसा नहीं, मतलब हम घर पे भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, वो खड्डे में गया, मेरे को घर पे खाना ही नहीं है। मेरे को बाहर जाना है, बाहर के टेबल पे खाना खाना है। पता नहीं क्यों, मतलब मैं ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं करती थी, पर अभी बहुत हो गया है घर पे बैठ बैठ के। मतलब ये तो अगले दिन मैं यही करूंगी।
I want to go and then I want to just sit there and look at the sky, and then I want to play in the ocean, and then have a good meal from outside, like from one of my favorite places or whatever. Like that's the one thing, because seeing the sky from your terrace top is different, but actually going to the beach or like going to some place where it's completely open and then just sit and look at nature, that's a different feeling. So that's something I looked forward to last lockdown also. That's something I still look forward to even now.
Apart from meeting each other, I feel like I would like to meet my people, like my friends and everyone, because I miss them a lot, to be honest. Like the thing that I do when I come here is like, I don't stay at my house. Okay, most of the time I just come here at night and sleep off. Most of the time I'm out with my friends at the beach or somewhere else. So I really miss that thing. That's the one thing I really miss. And even then the beach thing is gone because I live in a place with the beach, and that's some place I hang out. Yeah, that's some place I hang out all the time because she knows that I'm most of the time I'm at the beach. When the pandemic was not there, I was, that's my usual hangout spot.
anyways, I'm excited.
शुरू करूं फिर?
अरे पर तुम पूछेगी क्या मुझे, क्या मतलब I don't know.
यही सब
तो वो ये 2 चीजें इम्पोर्टेंट है, और खाना।
आना तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी। चलो ठीक है। So
I'm so sorry about my difficulty. It's like, you know, it feels entirely different to speak in English. It's been so long. I don't even remember the last time I spoke English. It's been so long that I can't even find the proper words. It feels like speaking, I don't know, speaking Chinese or something.
हिंदी
जैसे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट करेगी मुझे।
हाँ?
तुम मुझे जैसे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट करेगी।
क्यों?
ऐसे ही?
And
खत्म होगा तो ये करेंगे, अगर if we are fortunate enough and if things go to normal, तो मतलब what next?
What do you mean with if? It's when, please. Things will go back to normal. I need to hear this to keep myself sane. What is if?
ठीक है when?
When?
Okay. Okay. I'll make it very cute, okay? Okay, ठीक है, start करो। तू मेरी गेम ले रही है क्या?